students, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today what we are going to discuss is expressing a sin theta plus minus b cos theta in the form r sin theta plus minus alpha. So the expression and the derivation is same for both the cases, plus and minus. So for convenience we will take the positive case, that is a sin theta plus b cos theta is identically equals to r sin theta plus alpha. So in the previous lecture, as we discussed, that the formula for sin alpha plus beta is equals to. So in the same way, we will write the formula for sin theta plus alpha. So can we write this form instead of this closed form? A sin theta plus b cos theta is equals to. Now we will write this formula instead of sin theta plus alpha. R of sin theta cos alpha plus R of cos theta sin alpha. Okay, now we will equate these equations. For sin theta, we have a sin theta. This term we will put equals to this term like we do in equating the equations. So from here the sin and sin will be ignored and we have a is equals to r cos alpha. So this is, we have equation number 1. Now for cos theta, we have b cos theta. We will put it equals to this term r cos theta and sin alpha. So from here cos and cos will be ignored and we have b is equals to r sin alpha, which is equation number 2. Now as we know that tan of alpha is equals to perpendicular over base, which is b over a. So we can write b over a is equals to, this is the value for b and this is the value for a, right? So b over a, r and r will be cancelled out and we have b is equals to sin alpha over cos alpha, and sin alpha over cos alpha is equals to tan alpha, right? So this is how we can write this. Also if we want to separate out the value of alpha, now what is the value for this r? Now we will take the square of equation number 1 and 2 and we will add it. So we have a square which is equals to r square cos square alpha. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Squaring, we have b square is equals to r square sin square alpha. Now adding them, a square plus b square equals to, now adding these two terms, r square cos square alpha plus r square sin square alpha. A square plus b square is equals to, we can take r square common, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Value of r, we will take square root a sin theta plus b cos theta, right? So a is equals to r cos alpha and cos theta will be written as it is. So r will be taken as common, cos alpha sin theta plus sin alpha cos theta, right? R, and this is the formula for sin theta plus alpha. So this is how we can write a sin theta plus b cos theta as equals to r sin theta plus alpha, where the value of r can be calculated by using this formula and theta can be calculated by using this formula. So now let's take an example. So example we have is express sin theta minus cos theta in the form r sin theta plus alpha. We know we express a sin theta plus b cos theta as identically equals to r sin theta plus alpha, where this a is equals to r cos alpha and b is equals to r sin alpha. So we have sin theta minus cos theta, which we have to express in this form. So here we have a as 1 and b also as 1. R cos alpha, a is equals to 1. So 1 is equals to r cos alpha. Also 1 is equals to r sin alpha. So these two we have the equations, equation number 2 and this is equation number 1. Now we will square them and add them. 1 square is equals to r square cos square alpha, and this we have is 1 square is equals to r square sin square alpha. Now adding them, 1 square plus 1 square is equals to r square cos square alpha plus r square sin square alpha. So square of 1 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2, which is equals to, now we will take r square common and we have cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. This is equals to 1 by the fundamental identity of trigonometry. This is equals to 2. So r square is equals to 2. For the value of r we will take square root and we have r is equals to square root 2. For the value of tan alpha we have b over a, which is equals to tan alpha. Alpha over the value of a is r cos alpha, this is equals to tan alpha. This is b over a, the value of b, the value of a, r and r will be cancelled out and we have tan alpha. Tan alpha is equals to 1 over 1, it means 1. To find out the value of alpha, we have alpha is equals to tan inverse 1, right? So now to express this term in this way, a sin theta plus b cos theta is equals to, the value of a is r cos alpha, this sin theta will be written as it is, plus instead of b we can write r sin alpha and cos of theta. Taking r common from these two expressions we have, so we have r cos alpha sin theta plus r sin theta cos alpha. From here we separate out the value of r, taking it as common and writing the rest of the term as it is. Now this is the formula for sin theta plus alpha and this is r. The value of r is found under root 2 and the value of alpha is tan inverse 1. I hope you understand the concept and the example also. So give this video a thumb up if you like it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Also click on the bell icon so that you can get the update of every new video which is uploaded on my channel. Thank you so much.